prime numbers, so we need to print. So I have just printing the, so what range you are printing prime numbers. And first for loop, because we are starting with the 2, because 0 and 1 are not prime numbers. So that's why we're starting with the 2, and I'm printing all of them one by one. I'm checking. So if this I is a prime, I'm assuming that I value is a prime. Initially, I'm assuming that. Okay. So then I want to check it. Okay. I need to check it, right? So whether it is a prime or not. How can we check that? So to check that, so we need to write a logic here. So J percentile by I. Okay. So you have to check J percentile by I. Each, so no. So I percentile by J, because I is the prime you are assuming. Percentile by J, if you have to put if condition, if I percentile by J is equal to 0 or is not equal to 0, you can say. Is equal to 0 only. If it is, so 0, if it is divisible by J, then you can say E is prime is false. So then you can print that I value. Maybe we can just print I. So then I is going to be, if it is not false, right? If it is not false here, so it's a true, means that I is the prime number. Now here you see less than, I think less than, not less than, or equal to. So, and I just want to give one space, one tab I'm going to press after each I printed. So this is the one. See, you take just 10, okay, 1 to 10, a range is 10 I am giving. So 1 to 10, I want to print prime numbers. Let's check. So this one I equal to 2, I less than or equal to 10. That means I value is 2 less than or equal to 10. It is true. Comes inside, it is true. Here, so J equal to 2 and J less than I, 2 less than 2, it is false, right? So false means it won't come here. Okay, it won't come here. So then directly it will go and print this part. So 2 is a prime number. That's why it is printing. Next, what will happen after printing this? The I value will increment. I value will become 3. So 3 less than or equal to 10, it is true. Comes inside, and here it will print. So 2 less than 3, it is true, right? 2 less than 3, it is true. And again, so now this part, it will, here it is true. So coming down, and here, if you see 3 by 2 not equal to 0. So that means this condition becomes false. So that means it won't come here. Then J will increment 3. 3 less than 3, false. So that's why here it went out and 3 is printed. 2 and 3 both are prime numbers, right? So that is done. Next. So I value becomes 4. 4 less than or equal to 10, true. Comes inside. And J value 2 and 2 less than 4. Okay. 2 less than 4, it is true. Comes inside. And I value 4. 4 percentile by 2 equal to 0. So 4 percentile by 2 equal to 0. It is true. So true means what will happen? The is prime will set to false. So now it is false means it should not print, right? It should not print. So that is gone. So is prime is, so then you have to write a break statement. Okay, once you set it to false, then you break this entire for loop will exit. So now it is becoming false and break will execute and it will go up. Now I value becomes 5. So I is 5 and 5 less than or equal to 10. True. So are you all getting? So this is easy, or you want me to run in debug mode? Now here it comes here true and it comes here. So j equal to 2, I equal to 5 now. So j less than I. That means 2 less than 5. It is true. Comes inside. So 5 percentile by 2 is not equal to 0. So that means it's a false, right? So false means it won't go inside this if condition block. Now what will happen? Still in the inner for loop only you are, because you didn't exit the inner for loop. Now j value will increment. So j value will increment to 3. 3 less than 5. True. Comes inside. 5 by 3 not equal to 0. Right? 5 percentile by 3 not equal to 0. So that is also not true. So again it will go, j value will increment to 4. 4 less than 5, true. Again 5 percentile by 4. 5 percentile by 4 is not equal to 0. So that is also not true. And again it will go up and j value will increment 5. 5 less than 5, false. So it will go up. So that's the j value, and it will print I value, because this is inner for loop is not satisfying this thing. That's why 5 will print. It will come here and 5 will print, because this is done and it will come here next. 5 will print. So then it will go up and I value will increment to 6. 6 less than or equal to 10. That is true. And here, so now it will j equal to 2 and 2 less than 6. It is true, comes inside. So what will happen here? Can you tell me? 6 percentile by 2 equal to 0 or not equal to 0? What is this, guys? Divisions. 6 percentile by 2 is 0 or not equal to 0?
0.
Are you guys there, or so you're not able to hear me?
0.
0.
Then what is the condition here? So double equal
0.
to, so it is a true.
True.
It is true. So true means
Yeah.
it will come here and it will
Yeah.
set to false.
Yeah.
Then break will execute. Then the entire condition will, the for loop will exit. So then it will go outer for loop. So then I value will become 6 plus 1, 7. Right? I value will become, so 6 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So then condition 7 less than or equal to 10.
10.
True. So comes inside again. Now here, so 2 less than 7.
7. Yes.
True. Comes inside. 7 divided by 7 modulo 2 is not true.
0.
Again, j value will increment. 3. J value will become 3. So 7 modulo 3 not equal to 0. Again goes up. J value will increment. 3 plus 1, 4. and 7 modulo 4 not equal to 0. Again 4 plus 1, j value 4. 4 plus plus means plus 1. J plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So 7 percentile by 5 not equal to 0. Again, j value 5 now. 5 plus 1, 6. So 7 percentile by 6 not equal to 0. Again, so this condition becomes false. Again, going up, j value will increment 6 plus 1, 7. Because j value 6 now. 6
Yes.
plus 1, 7. So
1 by
7,
7 percentile
7
plus
less than 7 false.
False.
So it becomes false and it will low. So exit this inner for loop and 7 will print. Right? 7 also this one. Next 8. It will become 8. So I value will become 8. So 8. So less than or equal to 10, true. And here, if you see, so j equal to 2. 2 less than I value 8. What is I value now? I value is 8. So true, and that comes inside 8 percentile by 2, 0, true. Then it comes inside the if condition. Now is prime will set to false and break it. Break it means this entire thing will break. So again, so it will go up and is false is, so is prime is false. So false means this won't print. So again, it will go to the next I value will increment to 9. So 9 also is no divided by 3. But first 2 it is not printed. But j will become 3, right? That time it will be true. Again, that also set false. So that is also not going to print. Again, I value becomes 10. 10 equal to 10 true comes inside. And 2 less than 10 true comes inside. 10 percentile by 2 is 0. So then it will set false. So that's why 10 also won't print. That's why you'll print 2, 3, 5, 7 only. Okay, so that's how take one simple test data. That is the simple data I have taken. I have executed. So that's how you need to execute. See how I have written all the for loops. For loop, how to execute, I have clearly mentioned and explained. So please watch those videos and practice manual. I will ask in the this weekend coding test. You need to explain iteration by iteration. That is what you need to do. I'm going to ask step by step. So please focus on the basics. How the loop is executing. You need to explain how I am explaining. So this I value 2 now, then it is going to condition, this value 2 less than or equal to 10, true. And then if it is a true coming inside the for loop, then next statement, another for this Boolean value will set is prime to true. Then inner for loop will come and 2 less than I value 2. Like that you have to explain. Step by step you need to explain. So I want to see you guys how you are understanding the loops. So by explanation only it will come. Watch our videos, listen and practice how I am writing here. Take pen and paper, write like that. Each iteration you write, then you will get a clear understanding of how loops are executing, so that you're never going to forget. One time if you write all the iterations. So that's what, if still anybody having a problem, let me know. I'll explain iteration by iteration from condition to then increment to everything. I'll explain step by step. Still, if you have a doubt, okay, I think we are good, right? Let's go and print the prime numbers. Any questions? From your side, at least 3 to 4 hours work is important at home. So to understand all this, or even if you get 8 hours also good, whoever not working, okay? So working people, fine, or at least 6 hours you can spend time. You think that you are doing a job and sit in front of the computer and practice and memorize old topics. That's how you can so crack these interviews and all those things, guys. Otherwise, it's very, very difficult to crack the interview also, I'm saying. So please make sure you do the hard work, and that will really give you a lot of confidence to you. So run this program. See, you will get all the prime numbers 20, 2, 3,
It's
4.
printing all the numbers, Ramesh.
Something wrong. Logic is wrong.
The I percentage by J.
It become false. We are setting false, right? And break. It should exit.
Even I executed. That's why I'm waiting to run from your end.
This one. Let's run in debug. So that we'll get a better idea, okay?
Yeah.
Let's run in debug. So this inner for loop, outer for loop. Okay, if it is true, that will print. But why, even if we set the false, it is printing.
After we setting it as a false, but we are not using that flag anywhere to check whether that is in prime one or not.
Okay, you're right. I had to use this is the flag I need to use. Is prime. That's what. A good point, Rajeshwari. So this you need to flag it, right? If it is a true, then only print that I. You're good. Now it will execute. Now that will execute. See, we got it because we made a mistake, but immediately we catch it. And so Rajeshwari has given that flag. So this is the one. I have to check, okay? If it is a true, only print that I. Otherwise, you should not print. Now see, it will, you will get it. We don't need a, yeah. See, now it printed. Where is that? Oh, it went to debug mode. I don't need, I'll execute, okay? I executed, you can see. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. That's it.
Yeah, no, now it's coming.
Yeah, because of that condition, we missed that condition.
Yes.
Okay. So that's the, no, but main logic is this one. Any number, for example, if they give one number, check this number is a prime or not. Just give the number and the loop, and this is the logic to check. So this use this condition, the Boolean flag, and then this check it and do that. That's it. Okay. And you can easily get the whether it is a prime or not. And also, so next program. So we need to print given string in triangle shape. You give the string and you need to print that string in triangle shape. How can you print it? You have to give the input to this method. Whatever the string you give, that string should be printed in triangle shape. So let's go and print that. Public static. So void print triangle shape. So you give the input, okay? String str. So you can do so many ways here. Okay, you can do so many ways. So how you need to print is, let me write a program to print given string in triangle shape. For example, if I take selenium, right? This is the input, okay? I'm taking string str equal to selenium. So how I need to print is each row one letter. If the first row, one letter. If second row, two letters. Third row, three letters. Fourth row, four letters. So like this, you need to print. You have to print like this. So this is the one you need to print. So understand, you need to take a character. So here, and then second row, two characters. Third row, three characters. So the rows count and columns count is same. You remember, same I did here. So here I am not same, but you have to give same. The row, two for loops you have to take again. You have to take two for loops to achieve this logic. So let's go and do this. So you should have a array here. So first convert the string into character array. Okay, convert the string into character array. So how to convert a string into character array? Using string class method to-char array. To-char array method you have to use, which returns a, what is the return type of this method? Returns character array. So which returns a character array. So I'm giving the entire code for you guys. So now, so whatever you are getting, character array. So char array equal to array name I'm giving just character array. Str dot to-char array. Remember this, see this? This method is a return type method. That's why what is the return type of this method? Character array. So I again used the return type methods concept here. So this method is available in the string class. So this method, what type of data it is returning is a character array. So return type of the method, variable name equal to string object, that's a string literal object, dot to-char array non-static return type method. See that? To-char array returns a character array return type. That's what I did. Return type variable equal to str dot to-char array. Now, so I got an array. Now you know already how to do this. Okay, just iterate with the two for loops. For int I equal to 0, I less than, so ch array dot length, and so I plus plus. Then one more for loop you take, so int j equal to 0 and j less than or equal to I and j plus plus. Okay, now you just need to print. You just need to print. So that one. You just print the sys out. So print method you use. And so array name, ch of array of z, you print it. That's it. and you bring back the cursor to next row. You're done. That's it. So just call this program and it will so print the so in the triangular shape. Print triangle shape. So I'm giving WebDriver. Let's execute this. Clear? Run the program. Something wrong. Yeah, it executed. It executed. You can see this. First row 1, second row 2, third, fourth, fifth. See, all these are triangle shape, right? So that's the how to print a given word in the this one. So one program, I want to give exercise for you. Check given number is neon number or not. Make a note. So what is the program? Write a program to check given number is neon or not. What is neon? Neon number means you square the given number and then sum the digits of that number. If you get same as the original number, before square you have one number, right? If you get that number after summing of each digit in the squared number, that is called neon number. First, what is the first step? Square the
number.
Given input number, then add each digit in the squared number. Then if you get same as the initial number, then that is called neon number. Okay? Is it clear? Let me take one example. Suppose int n equal to 9. Then what is the first step? What do you need to do? Square number equal to, what do you need to do? N times n. That means 9
81.
times 9 equal to 81.
81.
Next, what is the next step? Add each digit in the squared number. What are the each digit here?
8 plus 1.
Is it same as the initial number or not? So now
Yes.
this number is called neon number. Clear? Please do this program. I have already given. I want to see how you can achieve this. Okay. I have given the clear explanation and how to do all this. So same as if you understand our palindrome Armstrong number concept, that is the same concept you can apply here. And also yesterday I have given one program. What is that program? Sum the each digit in the given number, right? If you do that, then this is also easy. I think only Rayeshwari did. I think so. Surya, what happened? You are not doing these days exercises. What's going on?
Yesterday I did not do Ramesh.
Yes, sir. If you neglect these
I will
basics,
spend-
it costs you a lot. So please keep that in mind. No, practice is a very important. Nowadays in the interviews, Java coding is thoroughly they are asking, not normal. So please keep that point in mind. You have to work hard on the core Java, not normal preparation. Anyhow, you are working fine, but still if you want to change the company, it's a very, very difficult in the Java coding. If you practice, then somehow you can manage in the interview because logics will come same, right? By practicing more programs and you will get the logics. So every day write one program, one code, one coding program so that your logic will improve. Spend half an hour or for one program. Without seeing, first understand step by step. You algorithm steps, you make a note and practice. That is what you need to do. At least one program per day. If you target all these programs, whatever I'm explaining, it really helps you. Okay. Yeah. So I think last program for the entire this basics, I want to print a pyramid shape. How can you print a pyramid shape? Write a program to print pyramid shape. So what is this pyramid shape? I need to start with, I'll print all stars. Okay. I think I have to increase the, so 4, right? Or maybe this one is a little bit, okay, we'll move. So that it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more I want. 5, I am just giving a 5, okay. So this is just a pyramid shape I want to print. How can we print this pyramid shape? So you can give a number of rows you want in your pyramid by using a scanner class. Then it has to print this shape. So how can you print this? So we'll see after rejoining. Please join back and we'll write this last program and then we'll go for the OOPS concepts. We'll start the OOPS concepts, okay? Thank you and see you again. See you back in quickly. So join back immediately. We'll see.